Hey everyone, Zane here. Today we're going to review Varo Bank. Looking for a modern bank solution with zero monthly fees and full mobile access? In this video, we are reviewing Varo Bank in 2025, breaking down the biggest pros and cons to help you decide if it is the right choice for your financial goals. Stick around because you do not want to miss this. What is Varo? Varo is a mobile-only bank that has FDIC insured and operates entirely online. That means no physical branches. Everything happens on your phone. It is designed to give users an easy, fee-free way to manage money, save, and even get early direct deposits. Pros of Varo Bank. Now let's kick off with the pros. And there is a lot to like in 2025. Number one, no monthly fees or minimums. You won't find hidden maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements here. That is a major win for people trying to keep more of their money. Number two, early direct deposit. Varo lets you get paid up to 2 days early, a feature that has become a favorite among gig workers and those on tight budgets. Number three, high yield savings account. In 2025, Varo offers up to 5% APY for qualified savings accounts. That's way above the national average if you meet the conditions like making a certain number of purchases or receiving direct deposits. Number four, no overdraft fees. With Varo Advance, you can overdraft up to $50 without fees. As long as you qualify, it's perfect for those tight end of month moments. Number five, easy to use app. The mobile app is sleek, intuitive, and gives you access to budgeting tools, savings goals, and real-time transaction alerts. Cons of Varo Bank. Now let's talk about cons, because no bank is perfect. Number one, no physical branches. If you still rely on in-person banking or need teller support, Varo isn't for you. Everything is digital. Number two, limited customer support hours. While support is responsive, it is not 24/7. This can be frustrating if you need help outside normal business hours. Number three, deposit limits. Cash deposits through Green Dot are possible, but they come with fees and limits. There is also no support for depositing checks via ATM, only mobile check deposit. Number four, requirements for high APY. The attractive 5 APY, it is only available if you meet certain monthly requirements. Otherwise, your interest rate drops significantly. Is Varo worth it in 2025? If you're looking for a mobile-first, fee-free experience with strong savings incentives, Varo is a solid choice. Best for budgeters, gig workers, people who hate fees, those who are comfortable with mobile-only banking. Not ideal for people who want physical branches, anyone who regularly deposits cash, those who cannot meet the APY requirements. Now that was our 2025 Varo Bank review. If this helped you out, give it a like and consider subscribing for more honest reviews on modern finance apps. And if you have any questions, you can type down below in the comments. Thanks for watching and goodbye.